Let's be honest, from delicious dinners to spending time with our family, holiday season weight gain is something most of us are familiar with. If you've been enjoying your holiday season and have been noticing a slight weight gain, then this is the video for you. Today, let's explore why honey lemon water can help us lose the holiday season weight, the science behind this natural weight loss remedy, and the exact recipe needed to drop those stubborn pounds. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel to see more informative videos. For those of you who may be unfamiliar with the holiday season weight gain, let's quickly break down this phenomenon. As the holiday season is all about taking a small break, enjoying family time, and eating tasty meals, it's very normal to experience some weight gain due to the lack of physical activity and high calorie consumption. According to one 2021 survey, 2,000 Americans expected to gain an average of 8 pounds over the holiday season. And so, while a few extra pounds during the holidays is not extraordinary, most don't know about the natural home remedy that can help us shed that new weight. Introducing the power of honey lemon water juice. Honey lemon water. When it comes to natural remedies, honey lemon water wins the gold medal thanks to its list of benefits. This simple drink is known to decrease inflammation, detoxify the body, replenish energy, and even help with upper respiratory infections and clear coughs and sore throats. But what about weight loss? In 2016, one study investigated the short-term weight loss effects of honey lemon juice fast. In this study, 50 participants drank only 300 milliliters of honey lemon juice 4 times a day to see if this natural remedy actually reduced their overall weight. After a 4-day observation, the study showed a significant reduction in the weight, BMI, and fat mass values of the participants. Along with weight loss, none of the participants reported any side effects, except for mild tiredness. So, how exactly does honey lemon work, and what's the science behind this magical natural weight loss remedy? The 2016 study concluded that honey lemon water juice impacted body weight in numerous ways. High vitamin C content intake has been proven to oxidize 30% more fat during exercise and help with iron absorption in the body. Along with the vitamin C that is found in lemons, researchers identified the unique lipid-powering properties of honey. Next, the 4-day juice fast allowed the body to use its adipose fat as the main source of energy. So in other words, unnecessary and extra fat was being burnt in order to give the body energy. Honey lemon water recipe. Now that we know the science behind this natural remedy, let's take a look at the honey lemon water recipe, when and how to drink this mixture, and for how long. This quick recipe only requires 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 cup of hot water. Let's start by boiling our water and adding our honey. Mix the honey until it's completely dissolved and add the tablespoon of lemon juice. Blend all the ingredients together and wait for the hot water to cool down to a comfortable warmness. Many people suggest drinking the mixture a couple times a day. First in the morning on an empty stomach, then after a heavy lunch or dinner, and finally before bed. Thanks to its pleasant taste and texture, this natural remedy can replace carbonated drinks, coffees, or teas, making your weight loss journey even more effortless. As a gentle reminder, try to avoid eating processed foods, such as refined sugars, carbs, high-salt snacks, and fast food meals. Cutting down on processed foods will help the honey lemon water work faster to burn those stubborn calories and extra pounds. And that's the end of our video. Don't want the holiday weight gain? Try the honey lemon water remedy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and leave your video recommendations in the comment section down below. See you on the next one.